hands-on with some of the very first Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 cases to hit the market from i-Blazon and Supcase. Check it out. When a brand new device like the Galaxy S9 or Galaxy S9 Plus is released, it's usually pretty difficult to find a good case at the outset. Well, don't worry about that, because the folks over at Supcase and i-Blazon have inexpensive GS9 and GS9 Plus cases available now. Because let's be honest, the last thing you want to do is expose your brand new flagship device to the elements. The good news is that cases from i-Blazon and Supcase offer you a variety of different case options for protecting your Galaxy S9. And as you'll see in this hands-on video, there are all sorts of different case options available, such as cases like this that provide 360-degree protection for your Galaxy S9 or Galaxy S9 Plus. Yes, so along with the usual rear cover, you also get a belt clip and a front cover that protects the ports on your GS9. So here is the Unicorn Beetle Clear. Features a clear, scratch-resistant backplate to show off your device's sleek looks. It also features a shock-absorbing wraparound bumper to protect your devices from drops at all angles. It has those ported buttons for easy click response. Very good-looking case that's available for the GS9 Plus and the regular GS9. And for those who want to be a little more low-key, there's also a black edition of the Unicorn Beetle. Now, the Unicorn Beetle Pro is a full-body rugged holster case for the GS9 Plus. It's safe to say that it offers extreme protection for your Galaxy S9 Plus. It detaches from the holster portion just like that, and it even features a locked-in front plate to give your device full-body protection. Yes, you get a front plate to protect the front of your Galaxy S9 Plus, and it locks in just like that. So you get the textured edges to ensure that your phone isn't going to slip out of your hands. And attention to detail has been paid to the ports on the bottom of your device as well. So you'll get these little rubber stoppers to offer additional protection on the bottom of your device. So overall, if you're looking to protect your Galaxy S9 Plus, that is it. Now, shifting gears a little bit, let's look at some of the case offerings from i-Blazon. You're not going to get the exact extreme level of protection that you would get from the Supcase, but you still get a very, very nice amount of protection with these cases from i-Blazon. For instance, this is the Luna case for your Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus. You have the ported buttons there to offer protection, dual layer design. You also have the Aries case for the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. The Aries case offers front protection as well with that lock-in front cover. So you're going to be able to protect your device with 360-degree coverage. It's slimmer than the Supcase that we looked at earlier, but it offers similar protection. So if you're really looking for a slimmer case that still offers 360-degree protection and peace of mind, then the Aries case from i-Blazon is a good choice. Now, lastly, we have the Armor Box for the Galaxy S9 Plus. Now, obviously, this does step up the protection significantly. It even features a built-in kickstand, which is great for watching YouTube videos like this one and movies. It also features a detachable holster portion with the belt clip there. And for those of you concerned about drop protection, you'll be happy to know that there is a separating front panel for added dual layer protection. And you also get reinforced corners, and of course you get those covered ports as well. Excellent case that offers a handy holster design for protecting your Galaxy S9 Plus. So ladies and gentlemen, these are some of the first cases that you'll find for the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus. So protect your flagship investment with now available inexpensive cases from Supcase and i-Blazon.